Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to change next player switching mode. To change next player switching mode, first you go to Game Settings. Find Gameplay and scroll down. Find Next Player Switching. Here you can select three modes: Classic, Goal Side and Closest to Ball. Classic, the best player will be determined by various factors. Goal Side, this setting favors players on the goal side of the ball. Closest to ball, this setting favors players who are closer to ball. Next you can change reaction time calibration mode between on or off. When the next player switch indicator is turned on default, an icon appears over the head of the player you will switch to when pressing L1. This icon updates constantly based on the match situation. In some instances, the icon can change during the natural reaction window that exists between you thinking about player switching and actually pressing L1. Direction time calibration takes this into account, switching you to the players that was indicated when you initially thought about switching. This setting has no impact on right stick switching or the speed with which inputs are processed. Next we can change this function calibration sensitivity, and in the end we can enable or disable player switch lock. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.